That is your fourth personal foul. Gonzalo with a two-handed dunk. Madayan to Bulasa. Bulasa on the drive with a counter fast break drop. Pass two-handed dunk. Bounce pass to Injase. Working inside. There's a block. That is moving again. Offensive rebound. Payas with a block. Pass to Payas. Tankua with another dunk. Hey, Tankua on the fast break. The only one. I think we have a dunk by game. Down by Tankua on the fast break. With a two. On the run with the defense of Madayan. That is a block by Injase. Gonzalo with another two-handed dunk. Injase with a two-handed dunk. Local players sponsored by Yannis Chicken House. Ball position for the team. Malabel Pultang, jersey number 8, Andang with a quick three. Rebound by the team. The flash, Madayan with a quick three. It's a 3 points. To Tankua, shot leg down to 10. Tankua, isolation drive. Jamante on the corner, Salas on a layup. That is the first best. Jersey number 8, Handang. Forward pass. We have the battle import inside with a hook shot. Indiase collect the rebound. To Bulasa. Bulasa wearing jersey number 10 with a quick floater. Tankua for the rebound. Forward pass. Counter steal. Gonzalo bounce pass to Injase. Bulasa again for the second time. Tankua. Jamante to the cutter. Andang with the off the glass. To Gonzalo. Back to Madayan. Bulasa using the jump step. Here comes to Bulasa. Pass to the outside. Corner pass using the fake. With a wide open jumper. Handang collect the rebound. Jersey number 8, Handang. We have a miscommunication, Madayan. On the fast break, layup is hit by the flash, Madayan. Jamante. To Tankua. With the defense of Gonzalo, hand up to Handang with a speed drop pass by Gay. Jersey number 7, Madayan on the dribble, shot leg down to 15. Gonzalo with the defense of Tankua with a long two. Hand up to Jamante. Jamante on the run, the rainbow light, penetrate inside. We have the battle of the ball, that is a turnover. Forward pass to Bulasa. Bounce pass to Injase. That is an easy off the glass. On the team, Malabel. Pass to Tankua. Lob pass. Injase for the steal. Jersey number 5, Injase to Gonzalo. Bulasa with attaching a close-up with a halftime. And there's a goal by 11. Good work. Tankua with the defense of Gonzalo. Shot leg down to 5. That is a quick steal, Madayan. Bounce pass to Bulasa, but that is too strong, Madayan, for the putback. That is the hassle of Jojo Madayan for the offensive rebound. Jamante. Tankua. Attacks in the mismatch by the defense of Gonzalo. We have a turnover again. Keep dropping Bulasa to Jojo Madayan with a high arcing two. Jamante bounce pass to Miggy Handang on the drive. Basket is good. Forward pass. Madayan with a step back three. It's a 3 points by Jojo Madayan. To Salas. Pass to Gay with a defense of Injase. Gay working inside. Gonzalo on the inbound, the jersey number 7, Madayan. Shot leg down to 10. With a high post screen of Injase. Pass to his teammate. Using his handle. Nice kick out to Bulasa for the wide open 3. Jamante collect the rebound. Here comes to Jamante. Corner pass. Miggy Handang hitting the 3. Offensive rebound by Gay with a hook shot by Gay. Number 24 bounce pass to Bulasa. Jersey number 9, Bulasa. Corner pass. Nice screen by Injase for the wide open 3 by jersey number 25. Number 8, Handang. Okay, with the defense of Injase. We have the Tankua on the mid-range area. That is an answer of Tankua. Ball position. Madayang on the deep three. Handang on the run with the defense of Madayang. That is a block by Injase. Tankua with the defense of Gonzalo with the palm fake. Basket is good by Tankua. Pass to his teammate. Corner pass to Injase. Injase with the defense of Gay. Pin it right inside. Rebound by Payas. Forward pass to Salas. Salas on the right. That is a quick zero run. Injase working inside. There comes Injase with a palm fake. Basket is good. Salas again on the inbound. Pass to Payas with the defense of Kagumbay, and that is an extra basket and one. That is the big team Ito. Walk on the corner. Kagumbay hitting the three. It's a 3 points by Kagumbay. Payas. There, back to Walk. Walk on the high post screen of Taniedo with a high arcing floater off the glass by Wolf. Gay. Here comes the Gay. Takes on Shetlag down to the Tankua with the defense of Gonzalo. Here's the number 13 Wolf. Same time. On the three, but that is short. Kuman. That is the time for the first quarter. Tori Campos serving the floor. Pass to Tankua. Kupal with a mid-range area. Basket is hit. Back. Gonzalo with the defense of Mayas. Shetlag down to Gonzalo. Isolation layup. Gay for the rebound. Mayas. But there is a miscommunication, and that is a troubling violation. For Gonzalo. Back to Walk, wearing jersey number 13. With a step back. Shetlag down to 10. Hey, Tankua on the fast break, the only one. I think we have a deck by Gay, by Tankua. Kagumbay to Injase. Injase with the defense of Kumal. Using the double team inside. Up the glass is good. Tobias. Shetlag down to 14. Gay working inside, that is too strong. Gonzalo collect the rebound. Here comes the Gonzalo. Corner pass, move with a catching shoot. Rebound by Torre Campo. Forward pass to Payas. Tankua with another there. There is a back-to-back. Madayang. So Gonzalo Taniedo with a turnaround jumper. Screen. We have an optimal screen of the team Alamel for the... That is short. Offensive rebound, Gay. That is looking again. Offensive rebound. Payas with a block of Injase. Shetlag down to 8. Tankua wide open 3. Offensive rebound again. Jersey number 7, Madayang to Gonzalo. Bounce pass to Injase. Working inside. There's a block of Gay, but that... Gonzalo to Mulasa. Catching shit. There is a victory of Mulasa. Jersey number 17. To jersey number 13. Gay with the defense of Injase. Handang on the drive, behind the back pass, Gay with a high ankle floater, Taniedo to Madayang, Madayang to Mulasa, Mulasa on the drive with the hand, but there is a block by Gay. Jersey number 06, Kupal to Handang, Shetlag down to 8, nice defense by Mulasa, Mulasa on the run with a stare down on the glass of Mulasa. Jersey number 76, turnover again, and that is a clean goal. Defense by both teams. Jersey number 7, Madayang with a clean pull-up jumper of Jojo Diamante. Game on the free throw area. Lampas Tancuan for the third time there. Come Tancuan. Jersey number 7, Manayag. On the dribble with the defense of Diamante. Shedlek down to 10. Gonzalo. Injase with the defense of Gabe. And there's a call by a referee. There is the good floor. In the defense of Mulasa. On the high post screen of Tankua. Kick out to Diamante to Tankua again. Hot down with a layup. Good for 2 points. The floor general team by the corner pass to Mulasa. With a layup. And there's a call. There is a basket. Down to 14. In the high post screen. Wide open 3 by Andang. Gonzalo. Manayag on the backboard with a high arcing 2. Okay, secure the ball. Polistico, step back 2, eating out. Offensive rebound, and we have an and one basket. That is David. Secure the ball to Gonzalo. Corner pass to Mulasa. Mulasa with the defense of Polistico. Narvaez hitting the 3. Iggy Andang on the run. With a layup, but that is too strong. We have Polistico on the inbound. Inbound pass, and we have another. Acknowledging the press. Here comes the Manayag in Jose. Kick out to Mulasa. Narvaez, he's up to the closeout. Step back one head. Hand up to Diamante. Pass to Tankua. Corner pass to Wanda. With a screen of Tankua. Nice 2 by Wanda. On the corner with a defensive game. Shedlek down to 10. Manayag with a catch. Gonzalo with a fake. But that is a drop. Violation. Diamante. A long pass to Polistico. Back to Diamante. Pass to his opponent. Manayag on the run. Mulasa off the glass. Good back by Manayag. Randa, counter pass break. Drop pass to and again by Gay for the Alabel Bulldog. Down to 14. Manayag on the drive. Injase with a break. Off the glass is hit by Injase. Forward pass to Wanda. With the defense of Narvaez. And now with a Jaylee move inside of Ricky Andang. Manayag Shedlek down to 10. Manayag isolation drive. Gonzalo with a fake. Rebound and another rebound. We are now in the seconds of play. There's a celebrity on the court. Mulasa with a 3-on-1 situation. It does it. Yes, it is it. Jersey number 7, Jojo Manayag, Narvaez. It does it. With the defense of Tankua. Back to that basket of Jose. It's off. Yanda with a speed with the defense of Narvaez for the last 10 seconds. Last 4 seconds. That is the time for the second quarter. With the defense of Narvaez. Manda. Shedlek down to 8. With a high post screen. Nice block by Diamante for the reverse layup. Back to Manayag. To Gonzalo. Gonzalo on the drive. That is too strong. Diamante. Pass to Tankua. Diamante. Long pass. Reverse layup. For a play. To Gonzalo. Corner 3 by Narvaez. But that is too strong. Jersey number 7. To Injase. Mulasa catching the 3. It's a 3 points by Kim Jong-in Mulasa. To Salas. Down to Pastor K. We have the battle of import inside. trying his best, using his strength, using his footwork, should let down to 8. There's a goal by 11 in the amateur. 45. Jersey number 7, Madayak. Totanieno wide open 3. Rebound by Tankua. On the basket, with a 2. Out of the basket. Gonzalo, Tanieno, Injase using his strength for the reverse layup. With the defense of Gonzalo, should lag down to 5. That is a shot clock violation. To Gonzalo. Back to Madayag. Should leg down to 14. With the high post screen of Tanieno. Long pass in Jose. Attacks in the mismatch by Kumal. Jersey number 25, Salas. Running it down. Tankua catches a long field by Tankua. Ball 49. Jersey number 7. Tanieno, corner pass, Mulasa, wide open corner 3 by King Jamin Mulasa. We have Tankua with the defense of Gonzalo. That is an out. That is still good. Ekyase, jersey number 7, Madayag on the backcourt. There comes the Madayag. Injase with the defense of Tankua. Basket is hit by the import. And down on the dribble with the defense of Mulasa. Should left down to 8. And down on the speed. That is a turnover again. Gonzalo on the run for the reverse of Mulasa. Tankua with a step back 3. That is too short. Then Joseph for the rebound. Madayag. Down pass to Mulasa with a quick 3. That is an out of bounds. Madayag on the drive. That is a layup for Iggy Andam. Should lag down to 8. Long pass to Mulasa. Jersey number 36, Kumal. Salas on the basket. In Jose with a defensive game. Nice defense. Salas. Okay. Salas. On the last out. Gonzalo. Madayag to Mulasa. Mulasa on the drive with a high arming off the glass. Injase offensive rebound. Step back corner 3. Mulasa. But that is too strong. Injase again with offensive rebound. Kick out to Mulasa. So Madayag should lag down to 8. Madayag with a deep 3. It's a 3 points by Jojo Madayag. Serving the floor. Using the screen of Tankua. Rebound by Gonzalo. Serve Madayag. Lampas to Mulasa. What a connection between Air Mulasa and the flash Madayag. Jersey number 25, Salas with the defense of Mulasa. Salas on the drive with a top shot, leading out. To 14, Madayag. Drop pass to the import. Forward pass and down with the catch with the only one. The glass is still. Gonzalo bounce pass to Injase with the defensive game. Using the phone fake. Kick out to Gonzalo, attacks in the close out. Gonzalo! Totanieno, but that is too strong. Injase with a offensive rebound off the glass is good. Jersey number 10, Tankua. With the defense of Gonzalo. Isolation in the low post area. That is too short. Madayag on the run. Lampas to Mulasa again. And Mulasa is on the highline. With the defense of Madayag. High post win by Kay. Rebound by Tanieno. Injase on the low post area with the defense of Kay. That is a clear contact. That is the play. Manda. Okay, with the defense of Injase. Kick out to Salas. Salas touches the close out. And one on the layup of Salas. Madayag. With the defense of Manda. Hesitation drive. Double crossover. Should leg down to 14. Here comes to Madayag. Should leg down to 8. Madayag with a quick pull-up jumper for the last 5 seconds. Basket is good. Here comes to Madayag. Serving the floor with the defense of Manda. Using the high post screen of Taniedo. Madayag should leg down to 8. Then Jose on the long 2. Manda collect the rebound. Myers, back to Manda. Manda on the drive. Picking her play on the last of Vancouver. Jersey number 5 in Jose. We have a turnover again. With the defense of Madayag. Quick drive. Nice recovery by Gate. Vancouver on the rainbow line. It's a 3 points by Vancouver. From 10 points lead down to 1. Jersey number 7. Madayag, hand off to Bulasa. Bulasa, quick 3. Bulasa is on fire. Madayag. Here comes the windup. Bulasa for the steal. Gonzalo. Looking is convenient back to Bulasa. Gonzalo by Jose. Taniedo with a high arcing floater of Taniedo. You have to battle the point guard between Andag and Madayag. Should land down to 8. And now in the mid-range area. Basket is good. Hand up to Bulasa. Bulasa wearing jersey number 10. Should leg down to 8. Bulasa on the drive. Injase with a long 2. Basket is good. Jersey number 8. With the defense of Bulasa. That is your 4th personal foul. Gonzalo with a 2-handed dunk. Oh my goodness. By Gonzalo. Well pulled up. Jersey number 25, Salas. Okay. With the defense of Injase. Nice defense by Injase. With the defense of Andang, high post screen. Bounce pass. We have a turnover. Andang with the defense of Madayag. Kick out to Kumay. Kumay long pass to Gay. Easy basket inside. Jersey number 7, Madayag. Gonzalo. Here comes to Gonzalo. Injase on the free throw line. That is your Salas with the defense of Madayag. Here comes to Madayag. Playing his best with the defense. But that is a clear contact. Madayag. With a quick drive of Madayag. That is the flash. Madayag to Salas. Nice deflecting the ball from Gay for the defensive rebound. Madayag with a high post screen. Should let down to 8. Nice beginner play. And that is a turnover. Oh, Manda with the defense of Bulasa. Manda stop the rainbow line. It's a 3 points. Jersey number 10. Bulasa. High post screen. Bulasa with a step back 3. Rebound by Kumay. Jersey number 8. Corner pass. Salas. Rebound by Gonzalo. Injase with a mismatch defense. Injase, and there's a ball. We still have 7 seconds to shoot. Game. And that is too strong. Jersey number 10, Colasa. Should let down to 8. Wide open 3. He's on fire. That is the unstoppable Colasa. Jersey number 8, high post right, drive is best for Monster. Madayag, shit leg down to Martin to Colasa. Colasa with a takeover, but tonight, Madayag. Shit leg down to 8. Nice hesitation. Then Jose on the free throw line. Basket is good. Here comes the Patkua. One on defense of 2 import. Shit leg down to 5. Here comes the one down with the defense. Shit leg down to 5. Big inner play in Jose. And he's there with a offensive rebound in Jose. That is okay. We're now on the seconds to play. Jersey number 8 and down with the defense of Colasa. Corner pass Polistico. That is short. When Jose collect the rebound. Robaniero. Pass to Jose. Jose with a 2 and the dunk of Jose. That is in and out. Gonzalo. Jersey number 24. Gonzalo with another 2 and the dunk. We have a steal for the last 10 seconds. Another dunk. That is the time for the final quarter. Congratulations, Municipality of Maino, for the final score of 73-87.